On 2nd of December, Karbi Students Association and Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum jointly called for a press conference at the headquarters of Karbi Students Association Rongtheang over the extension service of 3 SK surpassing their age of retirement under Land and Revenue Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Violet Bepi, President of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, while addressing the media, said 3 employees of Deeput Land and Revenue Circle Office, namely Dhanuram Kathar SK, Rup Hasnu and Besondev Gayan, had retired, yet they are still working as a regular employees despite exceeding their retirement age. Thus, giving an extension period of service after their retirement indicates the incompetency of employees under Deeput Land and Revenue Circle Office of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council taking over the charge. Questioned while briefing the media, Violet Bepi informed that 2 of the employees had taken retirement 7 years ago and 1 of them had retired 3 years ago from today. Alleged understanding with the Land and Revenue Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for giving an extensions to their service. Hence, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum demanded immediate terminations of their service and provide opportunity to the deserving candidate.
Si noni tu punya bangke thoma munit do ino do bangke la ke verensu gian bolo la pen alang li bangke asakuri ke claim ten retire pa me pensi hala so retire that pen ta non anke nikan troksi analang li ke sakuri retire that pen ke claim ta pin non Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Department Land and Revenue made circle office long claim bomb na.
Liton Singh Timung, President of Karbi Students Association Deeput Regional Committee, expressed his dissatisfactions over this matter. Said land parcels are granted to non-tribals due to absence of innocence and sincere SK Mondal under Land and Revenue Department within the district of Karbi Anglong. Because most of the SK Mondals are not intended to safeguard the land, they had prioritized money over their professions by giving land parcels to non-tribals.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under the one department of the Sakuri are Juno retirement down to program Ladakh extension ki PG ban ke provision sabe ko utau ek usalang itu budak. Di nasi bangan uji budak di laton people udet ke Ladakh itu mathami biala.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.